eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left. Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle on your right. Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small clicks. Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode. Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the colored button that corresponds to the incorrect note. Press the blinking button again to verify your work. Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them. Then close up the faceplate and we'll call it a day. Well done. That concludes your parts and services task. See you next time. Welcome back to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction. Let's return it to the lost and found. Carefully grab and remove the child's hat from Freddy's mouth. Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it. Give it another
เดี๋ยว
firm
ตามไปโรง
time.
อาหารกับแม่ลูก
Good job. Now place the hat in the lost and found bin on
ไป
your
โรงอาหาร
right.
กับแม่
While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else stuck inside. To access Freddy's chest cavity, grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it outwards.
อ๋อ
Well
ลงไป
done.
ด้วยกันเลย
Freddy's chest cavity is now open.
มันนี่
Remove the child's watch and
นี่อะไร
place it in
เงิน
the lost
ไง
and found bin. Be careful not to touch
แม่
any
บอก
of Freddy's sensitive
ของ
wiring.
เงินพ่อก็จะไปกดตังค์ให้ขอรับผมปู่พ่อไม่ได้ยินไงเรียกตั้งนาน
Good
ไม่
job.
ได้ยิน
It
เนาะ
appears there is a
ไม่ได้
child's
ยินไงเดิน
shoe
ตามมา
wedged
อยู่เนี่ย
behind
ผม
Freddy's
ขอโท
music
ษนะ
box.
ยัน
The
ลงบัน
music
ไดอยู่ด้วย
box
กัน
must be removed before you can access the child's shoe. Gently grasp the music box and extract it from Freddy's chest cavity before the safety latch descends. Carefully place the music box. Carefully place the music box on the work table to your left. Great job. To reset the safety latch, press the button located on Freddy's endoskeleton. Now, remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin. Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity, and we'll call it a day. Oh no! You seem to have mishandled Freddy's music box. This is not good. A replacement may be found on the work table. A slow and even pace is recommended. Crisis averted. To close Freddy's chest cavity, press the large black button on the center of Freddy's face. That concludes your time in parts and service. Your pay will be docked accordingly. Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full working condition. First, carefully pick up and place Foxy's head on his endoskeleton. Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all
จะ
times.
ใส่รถอ่ะ
You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Retrieve the fuse from drawer number 1 that matches Foxy's leg receptacle. To avoid bodily harm, wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving before inserting the control fuse. Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. It looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest wound using an incorrect fuse. Carefully remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into Foxy's arm receptacle. Well done. The remaining chest fuses are located in drawers number 2 and number 4. Fix both fuses to continue.
ก็ผมไม่ได้ลงตาแต่ผมที่อยู่ข้างซ้ายมันค่อยๆลงมาอยู่ด้านล่างแล้ว
นี่เลยนะเดี๋ยวไว้ให้ได้
Good job. Retrieve Foxy's eye from drawer number 3. When Foxy's eye patch was fully open, place the eye back into his eye socket.
เปิดติ๊บเหมือนไม่ได้เปิด
Well done. This concludes all your parts and service tasks. Your valve can now be reopened. Welcome back to parts and service. There have been customer complaints about Chica's acrid smell. Sounds like Chica has been rummaging around the kitchen again. Remove all food particles from Chica's exterior and place it in the refuse bin on your right.
หมอเขาไม่ให้หยอดน้ำขุ่นเหรอ
นัดเมื่อวาน
เขา
นี้
ต้องหาแล้วเลย
ไม่ป่วยกลับมาแข่งแล้ว
Good job. Make sure Chica is not hiding any other treats inside her
กลับมา
beak.
ต่อย
To
ตัวต่อย
open
อีก
her
รอบ
beak, carefully press the 2 buttons located on the sides of Chica's
กลั
head.
บมาเล่นตัวต่ออีกรอบหนึ่ง
ไม่ได้หยุดเล่น
ไม่หยุด
น้องบอกว่าให้หยุดเล่นได้
It looks like Chica has picked up some unwanted
แต่หยุด
friends.
ก็เลยต่อ
To clear the infestation, apply the Fazbear Entertainment restaurant-grade chemi spray to Chica's exterior. Press the button under the hanging canister to activate the chemi spray. Avoid inhaling the chemi spray. Exposure to cleaning, disinfecting, and maintenance chemicals may result in respiratory problems, skin, or eye irritation. Good job. Now reattach Chica's upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
ขับเขิด
Well done. Oh no, it looks like
โอ้
Chica
ไม่
needs another
มีแมง
dose
สาบ
of
ออก
chemi
จากลูก
spray.
ตา
Do not let the
Chica.
infestation spread. Be sure to give the canister button another push as needed.
มันมันตึ้ง
โดนขึ้นตา
Return the
ๆโอ้ไม่
cupcake
คั
to
พเค้ก
Chica's
เดือดไป
plate.
แล้ว
Place the cupcake on the
เอา
plate.
คัพเค้กใส่จาน เอาคัพเค้ก
Great
ใส่
job.
จาน
Chica is ready to serve pizza and hugs to the kids
เอา
again.
พร้อมไปเสิร์ฟ
Take
ให้
a
ลูกค้า
complimentary
เอ้ย
slice of
เด็กแล้ว
pizza for a job well done. Go
รับ
on.
ประทานพิซซ่า
Take it.